What's up guys, it's me Tech Nerds back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the new features on the Fire Stick, because in my last video I showed you guys what the new features are and what features have been a little bit tweaked that were there before but have been sort of like kind of upgraded. So now I'm going to show you how to add profiles, multiple profiles on your Fire Stick. So the first thing you're going to want to do is hit that little icon profile button, and I'm going to circle it right now. Okay, so guys, right after you click on that little profile icon, this should pop up. And so you want to hit add profile. You don't want to hit Tech Nerds because, it should say your name from your account, whatever information you put on there. So yeah, but for me it says Tech Nerds because that's the name I put on there for this video. But anyways, you want to hit add profile, so you'll be creating another profile. Okay, so guys, once you get to this page, you're going to want to click create new profile. Okay, so guys, after you click create new profile, you're going to want to enter your name. And if you're making this account for kids, you're going to want to go up. You're going to want to hit the up arrow and select yes, this profile is for kids, or no, it's for kids. So I'm gonna make this for kids, I guess, or no, I will do not for kids. So then you're gonna put in your name here, Tech Nerds Example. Okay, I guess that's what we're gonna go with. And now we're gonna hit, now this is your preference. I'm just gonna hit profile icon, and it has a bunch of these options. I just like to go down and choose one of these because it's simple. And now I'm going to, I hit the camera, and now I'm going to go down to add, and now there we go. Now Techno Examples is added to my Fire Stick, so that's the account I want to be on. So I selected, and now all this comes up. So that's the first feature on how to add profiles on the Fire Stick. Now we're gonna go on to the next one, which is how to get certain apps on this little bar right here. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like zoomed out, but I'm gonna zoom into this section over here where it says Netflix, Video Prime, IMDb TV, YouTube, News, Amazon Music, and it has those boxes in the gear. So to get certain apps in this section area, you're gonna want to go to you're going to want to go to those three boxes and then select it, and then here's where you have all your apps. Now, so here's the thing: when you switch accounts, all your apps won't go to all the other accounts. So just stay on the one that you originally had it on. So keep in mind when you go to do this. So let's see. So here you hit the options button to move certain apps to a certain place. So I'm gonna go down to App Store. I'm gonna hit the options button, and I don't want it in the front, so I'm gonna hit move, and then I'm gonna move it right behind Netflix. Okay, and there we go. Now I'm gonna do YouTube, and that I want it in the front, so I'm gonna hit move to front. And let's see, let's do Amazon Music. I don't want it in the front, so I'll put it right behind the App Store. And there you go. That's how you use this feature. And then once you exit back to the home screen, you'll see all the apps that you wanted in a certain order are up there. And there you go. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helped you. So now you guys know how to use some of the features on the Fire Stick. I mean, a lot didn't change. Like I said in the last video, the home screen that was like the biggest changes, and then either some features got upgraded a little bit, or other features was just added, but not a whole lot of features or big features. So guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. This is the end of the video actually. So yeah, make sure you comment down below and subscribe. And if the comments are turned off, feel free to email me. My email is always in the description. So email me if you have any questions or any ideas that I can do for my videos. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications. And see you in the next one.